Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is the program that we have implemented in the previous video. Now in today's video we are going to learn about variables. For that, let's start with the addition of two numbers. Let's say I want to add 5 and 8, and before adding these numbers we have to put it in somewhere. Let's say a equal to 5 and b equal to 8. Okay, now this a is a container which will have a value 5. In the same way, b is also a container which will have a value 8. Okay, since these two are separate statements, we have to put a semicolon. Now this container is also called as variable because in future we can change the value. Okay, so a is a container which can have a different values. That is, we can change its value, and that's why it's called as variable. So what is variable? A variable is a container in which we can change the values. Okay, now every container will have different values, right? Let's say 5.5 and put it in a container called C. Now this value is different from these two numbers, right? Because it's a real number, right? So every container will have a different types of data that we need to mention while declaring a variable. So what is declaration? Whenever you create a variable, you need to mention the name of the variable and the type of the value the variable will hold. Okay, and that is called as declaration, right? So here the type of variable a is integer, right? In short, we can call this as a int. Okay, b is also integer. Now what about c? Here the value of c is real, right? So this real value in programming is called as float. So it's a float, right? Now this int and this float are called as data types. Okay, we can also have a character variable. Let's say whenever you want to store a character variable, you can use something called as char. Let's say character d equal to L. Since we are going to store a character, we have to enclose it in a single quotes. If you are having number of characters, then you should use double quotes. If you are having only one character, then you can go with single quotes. Okay, but now we are going to focus only on integer. So just remove these statements. Now we can take one more variable called k and add 5 and 8. But wait, we are having a and b, right? Then why we need to use 5 and 8? We can simply put a plus b. Now we will fetching the value of a and b and assigning the result of addition to the variable k. Okay, now the value of k is 13, right? Now I want to print the value of k. So whenever you want to print a value, you have to follow certain format. Okay, that will be something like this. Here we have to specify a variable, and inside this double quotes you have to specify the format specifier of that variable. Okay, for integer the format specifier is %d. Okay, but I want my output should be more informative and more specific, like the addition of 5 and 8 is 13, something like that. So the addition of %d and %d is %d. So this %d is a, so we have to put a first, and this %d is b, so that we have to put b and then k. Okay, now this %d will be replaced by the value of a, and this %d will be replaced by the value of b, and this %d will be replaced by the value of k. Okay, now let's run this program and check the output. See, the addition of 5 and 8 is 13. Okay, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and please subscribe my channel.